Okay guys, now after pronunciation, we are going to work on fluency and how to develop fluency. I'm going to do one activity with you, and this activity will make sure that you become fluent in English language. What we are going to do, we are going to select one area or one topic, and then you will have to write down 10 words related to that. For example, if we select restaurant, okay, now please give me some words which are related to restaurant. Restaurant, food, fast food, traditional restaurants, burger,
Pizza.
pizza, okay, and
Chinese,
Chinese food, okay, and
Italian,
Italian food, barbecue, party,
Arabic, Arabic,
Arabic food, outing, party, weekend. So all these words are associated with that. Now, for example, 10 words, you're going to write down these 10 words and you will take a look at the first word and make a couple of sentences. This is how you're going to be fluent. Then you will pick up second word, you'll make a couple of sentences. Third word, fourth word, fifth word, right? So like this, you will write down 10 words and you will have to speak on those 10 words, and this will make you fluent in English, right? Now, I'm going to give you the separate topics. Your topic is literature. Okay, you'll talk about that. Your topic is family. Your topic is business. Your topic is education. You'll talk about education, studies and all that. And your topic is foreign countries. Now, first of all, write down 10 words with this topic which are related to that topic. And then you will have to speak on that. Okay, I give you 3 minutes for that. 10 words. 10 words related to business, 10 words related to... Okay, now let's take a start. First of all, you're going to talk about literature and the words you've written. Just take a look at the word and speak. Please put the mic closer. Keep it closer to you. Yeah.
The first word is literature. Literature is the most important part of our life. The second word is...
No, not like this. Don't say second word is. Like you talked about literature, a couple of sentences, then take a look at the second word and speak on it.
Okay.
Yes.
I like to read novels, and my favorite novel is The Prince and the Pauper. I think, in my opinion, everyone should know how to speak English. Vocabulary is the most important part in our lives, in schools, colleges, and too much important in universities. Read too much novels will make your vocabulary amazing.
Reading so many novels will make your vocabulary amazing. Okay, that's it?
Yes.
All right, next one, please.
We have family gathering at afternoon. We have family gathering at afternoon.
In the afternoon.
In the afternoon, with families, with friends, with children, and
You need to make sentence with every word. If you talk about family, make a sentence with that. For children, make a sentence and all that.
with family like uncle, aunt, and
That is relatives. Family is your father, mother, brother, sister, children. That is family. And uncles, aunts, they are relatives.
relative.
Yeah.
Okay, with my brother, my
Okay.
father, we eat we drink tea after in the afternoon,
Okay.
and we talking about
All right. Okay. Next one, please.
10 things.
Yeah, 10 things
We,
related to business.
Now one account.
Sorry, you will make 2 to 3 sentences of each thing and then you'll go on.
First of for business must we have accounts, good accounts, and we manage accounts, because without accounts we cannot manage our
We cannot manage
marriage. We cannot manage our business.
Okay.
Other is factory. Some businesses is related to factories. In factories we produce some products for market. This is also a good business. Producing some items. Other cost price. First of all, when I start the business,
When I started the business.
when I produce the product, we set our cost price.
Okay.
Because if I don't know the cost price, I cannot sell.
I cannot sell.
I cannot sell and cannot earn.
Okay.
earn the profit.
Right.
Then sale price, we must be good sale price, competitive price for selling into market. If our product is costly, I cannot sell.
We cannot sell it.
We cannot sell it in the market.
Okay.
Gross profit. We must know what is the we have gross profit. Gross profit is with all with expenses is called gross profit. Then the net profit, we minus the expenditures.
Right.
Then we get cost price. Net profit.
All right.
Net profit. And we must have business strategy. If we don't have business strategy, we cannot grow our business. First year, what we do first year, second year, third year, this 3-year strategy we have.
We should have.
We should have, because first year we spend money.
Yeah.
Second is we work hard.
Yeah.
Then third year we get
we earn profits.
profits.
That's right.
This is one formula.
Good. Very good.
And we must have employees. We must pay employees in time.
We must pay the employees in time.
We must pay the employees in time. If we late,
if we delay
the salaries, employees not working.
Employees will not work efficiently.
Not efficiency. Efficiently.
Will not work efficiently.
Will not work efficiently.
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 Yes.
Efficiently. And in market also is your company goodwill is go down. If you are not paid,
goodwill goes down.
Goes down.
Right.
And deliveries must be your deliveries in time. If you get orders from market, don't delay your deliveries. And this for services is good. If delivery is good, you can get more orders from market.
That's good. Fantastic. Very good. Next one, please.
Hello, I'm going to talk about education.
Good.
Education is very important for our future and our career. Basically, the education will give you many opportunity in your life, in your future. For getting education, first of all, you have to go to school. Because it's the beginning thing of the education. You have to go to school. When you will get admission to school, first of all, you have to see in which medium you have to.
You have to get admission.
You get admission in English medium or Urdu medium. I will suggest you have to take admission in English medium, because English will help you in your future, in your career, and it will if you want if you don't want problems in your future, you have to get admission in English medium. After that, you have to do school. You have to pass your school time. After that, you will enter to university. This is the high level of education.
Good.
Then in university, you will select your career. What will you want to be in the future?
Okay.
You will decide in the university, or maybe you can decide in your school.
All right.
After that, when you will finish your education.
That's fine. Thank you. Good job. Next one, please.
Okay. Well, I want to talk about a foreign country. I am very fond of to travel different.
I'm very fond of traveling to other countries.
Traveling to other countries. You know, I think lucky are those who travel a lot.
Yeah.
And my destination is Australia. I want to go there.
I want to go there.
I want to go there and study there. First of all, the main thing I go there is study, but second important thing everyone wants luxury life and wants to enjoy their life.
I want to enjoy, not wants.
I want to enjoy the luxurious life there. you know, there is a good setup there, and good government, good security, and the skyscrapers, large building, and that's why I want to go there. And if I am studying there, I have a great opportunity to meet new people and be friendship with them. So these are the students who came around the world, all over the world.
Yeah, there the students come from all over the world.
Yeah.
There the students
There
come
the students come from
all over the
all
world.
over the world. The friendship with them, it means that relation with different countries,
Yeah.
and third country. Okay.
Okay, that's fine. Good job. Thank you. So, I mean, in order to speak fluently, the most important tip is that you guys have to speak English. And in order to speak English, you should have some ideas. Like you started very well. First, you talked about school, you elaborated that, then you went on to college, then you went on to university. So this is how systematically you can expand your topic. Another thing, in order to speak fluently, fluency comes with practice. Practice comes when you speak English time and again. Language is something we repeatedly do. You know, habits are the actions which we repeatedly do without even being conscious about them. Same is the case with language. You speak the language and you're not conscious about it. So once you start speaking English again and again and again and again, then you will speak English without being conscious that you're speaking a different language. Now, when you speak Urdu, you're not conscious. But when you speak English, you are alert and conscious. Yes, I'm speaking English. I have to join words and this and that and all that. Okay? So practice makes perfect, and repetition is the mother of fluency in learning English or any other language, right? Okay, thank you.